and welcome in this new session. I'm Anwar Ben Zahra, I'm software engineering and Microsoft MVP. In this video we are going to predict salary income in terms of year of experience using C#, ML library and .NET Core 2.2. Let's start the video. The schema showing us how to build a ML model. First, we are going to load data, then extract the future, train our model using an algorithm to predict the value. Next, evaluate the model with training test and then consume the model. First, I have prepared my dataset. I have two columns. Years is of experience and salary. The years of experience is our future and the salary is the predicted value. Let's start creating our application. Take classes with .NET Standard. The name is salary prediction. And then create the application. This is our application, so let's delete this and add a new class. Is our program. And then let's get our dependency. Manage NuGet package, and then let's search for Microsoft.ML. The Microsoft.ML it contains a set of classes that allow us to predict our salary. So let's install it. Let's wait and accept the installation. Good. Now it's installed. Let's show this package, and there is our dependency. So next, let's start coding. The first step is create our model for the salary dataset. We are going to create a model of data that contain the number of year of experience and the salary. Let's create this. So add new classes, and the name of classes is salary. Let's put this name and make it public. And we have true property. Let's define the true property. The float is the number of year of experience. Years. And the next one is the salary is float also. So let's add the load column. Is the number 0. And the next one is the load column number 2. Next, let's create the model of our result. So let's create a new class, and the name of the class, that's like this, salary prediction. Okay, let's make it public, and let's add the property float. There is a result, and If you want to name it a score or a predicted salary, as you like. Predicted salary, and the column name is score. Let's import the DLL, and we are good. Let's start creating our prediction model. To build an ML model, first we should create a context or in an environment. This environment is comparable to DB context in Entity Framework, but of course is not in the same domain, is the different thing. Our environment is providing the ML context. That is the job that can be used for exception, tracking, and logging. Let's create our context. Var context is new ML context. And then let's import the DLL. And then let's load our data. So our data is taking our context.data load from text file. Let's format this with salary data models, and let's put our dataset in our project, and our separator is the comma. So put our dataset here, and let's return to our code to build the model. The next step is to prepare our future vector. For our case, we have only this column in our future vector. If we have many columns like name or other, we should transform this column to a double or int or a boolean value. Once our estimator is defined, the next step is to train our model by using fit method API while providing the already loaded training data. This returns a model which you can use to predict a value. Note that the pipeline is a chain of estimator. An estimator is an object that learns from data. A transformer is the result of this learning. A good example is precisely when training the model with pipeline.fit. And then let's evaluate the model by using the transform of the training data and then evaluate the prediction of the transformer. And then we have creating a matrix to show us the quality of our algorithm. And the final step of our algorithm is to predict a value. So I give 1 year of experience to predict the salary of the men who have 1 year of experience. And then to show this result is prediction.salary. And let's run our program to have our prediction. Let's run our program and this is our result. The prediction of the men who have 1 year of experience is this salary. We can test another value. For example, let's give 4 years of experience, and the result is this. So to have a good model, we should have a large set of dataset to have a good quality of prediction. And that's it for this video, and see you in the next session.